Google search ads, that's what we're talking about today. Today, I'm going to answer the questions, multiple questions ago on how you can optimize your Google ads in 2024. Get more sales, get more conversions, get more leads, and spend less and get your ads to perform better. This is what we're going to do today. I'm going to take you through one of my campaigns and I will walk you through the process of optimizing your Google ads to get better results. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, hit that subscription button and the notification bell. So let's continue. Hey, so right now we're in one of my Google Ads account and I have a campaign that has been going on here, and this is what I want us to take a look at today. If you look right here, you have this campaign is optimized 82.4%. I've been purposely optimized it today so we can go through this tutorial and I will show you how to optimize your campaign, and then we can go or come back here and look at the recommendations Google have for us here and see which ones we can be able to work with. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, and I'll click on my overview here just so we can be able to look at what we have here. I have a campaign that is running, and this campaign have been running for days today. Some campaigns, and this particular one, we're going to look at this one, Sales Global. So I'll click on it. Let me just click on the campaign and we can look at what has been happening. So this campaign has already received 459 clicks, 19.7 thousand impressions. You have an average of 0.08 cents euros. This is in euros, right? And 35 euros spent on this campaign so far. But the conversions I got from this campaign so far recorded is 71 conversions. So I won't say this is bad. This is great for most campaigns. And if you look down here, I have this campaign, written up here the way this campaign is described. And if you look down here, you have keywords. Okay, and this panel here shows you just the same thing I show you up there. Click-through rate 2.3%, which is also not so bad. And if you scroll down, you will look at other figures here. These are basically for devices, and campaign optimization score right now is 82.4. So look, people, if I come over here and just kind of accept the recommendations Google have, this figure will automatically go up. But that's not what we want. We want to manually optimize our campaign, and this is what I would suggest. Always do this. Try to optimize your campaign manually. Do not go in there and just accept every recommendation that has been recommended by Google. You will end up spending your money without doing or getting the right result. So let's just start. Okay, and the first thing I would like to do is I will show you this, and I will suggest you do this, except if I will click on the devices here first. But before I do this, I'm trying to get you to understand, if you are not targeting mobile users, do not, this is my suggestion though, do not run mobile campaigns. Just switch it off. So the first thing I do is I come over here. As you can see, I'll have minus 100% here on tablets and minus 100% here on mobile phones. So basically I am telling Google that I don't want my ads to be shown on Google devices, and if these ads are to appear on Google devices, I am bidding minus 100%. Basically, I don't want to spend money on these devices. So Google should stop showing my ads on these devices. When you do this, you prevent all these bots, that just click on your ads without making you money, and people who don't just want to convert or have no interest in visiting your website or buying from you and just clicking on those ads, spending you money. This is not what you want. So I always turn off this, and what you can do is you just click on the bid adjustment rate here, decrease it right here, click on decrease. You have both increase and decrease. So you just go on decrease it to 100% and just save it right here. Do the same thing for the mobile devices. Just click decrease 100% and save it. Now I'll tell Google to show my ads only on computers, which is desktop and laptops. This way you will have more conversion rates. That's how I deal with my devices. Now the second thing I'm going to do is to go and look at the keywords, okay, on this particular campaign. So let's say I will go and click on the search keyword. So I'll go to the campaign itself and just click on the search keywords. And if you come over here, I have a lot of keywords going on here. I will click to show all these keywords, right? You have a lot of keywords that I have going on this campaign. So what I do is, first of all, I look at the keywords that are not bringing in any impressions at all, right? So if I scroll to the right here, you look at the figures, you look at clicks and impressions. And if I click here, right here, it will automatically adjust and show me based on each keyword, the number of impressions that keyword is bringing, starting from the most, to the lowest right here. So as you can see, here, I started right here. Let me go back again and show you. The first keyword here brings in about 2,000 impressions, 2,433 impressions, and the second one is 1,944. So let's go down to the ones that have 0 impressions. These ones, look at this, all these keywords that have 0 impressions. What I do is I will come over here, click here, right, and I will scroll up to the end and hold my shift key, right, and click right here. So it will highlight all the keywords that bring 0 impressions, and I'll come on here, click on edit and remove them. I click on remove and I'll confirm, and I will remove those keywords. So 92 of those keywords are gone completely. I'll remove those keywords. And if I really want to optimize this further, because I said this has been going on for a week or 5 days, I will come over here and even remove all these ones that have only 1 impressions. Now, because I see they don't have clicks as well. So I'll come over here just to make this campaign more relevant. Remove all the other ones that have only just one impressions right here. Internet advertising agencies, right from down here to the end, and I will hold my shift and then highlight all that, come to edit and remove that. Just remove those. And you see those keywords are removed as well. This is how I treat my keywords. That's the first thing I do. And I'll come on clicks and I'll look at the ones that have 0 clicks over this period of time. And even though they may have some impressions, I'm going to remove that because I want Google to concentrate on keywords that people are actually clicking on and visiting my website. So the ones that are not bringing in clicks but bringing in impressions, and sometimes spending my money, I'm going to also remove those keywords. So my keywords will be my campaign will be super optimized. Sorry, I didn't click right here, so I'll click right here. So again, I'm going to click on edit and I'll come and remove all these keywords as well. So all those keywords are gone. And now I am left with 62. I removed 62 and I'm left with keywords, let's say about 32 keywords that are left on this particular campaign. I can still go in and remove the other ones that have only 1 clicks, but I see they are having good impressions. So I will give these ones time, but to see this is super optimized because 32 keywords are still very good for this campaign. And as far as all these keywords are bringing me in clicks and impressions, that's what I need. So I will be spending money on relevant, and I mean only relevant keywords. Another thing you can do is to add specific negative keywords. Okay, I'm not going to do that right away on this particular campaign. What you can do is you will research on keywords. For example, if you don't want your ads to be shown on free. Let's say you are selling pens and you want your pens to be shown to only people who are ready to pay, not people who are searching for free pens, or this particularly, let's say, free stuff. You would just put that free, remove that, put that keyword in, a negative keyword. So right here, you can come over here if you want to do that and just add negative keywords. You click right here and say free advertising. If I add a particular keyword here, free advertising, I will basically tell Google not to show my ads when people search for free advertising, and save that particular keyword right here. So as you do keyword research, you should try to do negative keyword research as well. So you would give Google exactly the type of keywords you want your ads to be shown, to prevent your ads being shown to people who do not have any interest in your ads. Again, another thing I try to look at is the bidding, right? But bidding, I mean, specifically tell you how to bid. It varies a lot when it depends on how you are running that particular campaign. But let's say you want to bid, and my advice for bidding is avoid smart bidding. Okay, so Google will ask you or suggest you use smart bidding. Smart bidding doesn't do you good. You will spend a lot of money on smart bidding because they just use broad keywords to show your ad to get a lot of clicks, zero conversions, nothing is happening. That end up spending more of your ad budget without any relevant or good result. So avoid smart bidding. But in case you want to change your bidding, you can click on that particular campaign, scroll over here, and try to adjust your bidding and improve your bidding. Okay, so you can actually ask Google to show your ads to specific people if they bid more or if they bid less. So if I want to do that, I can just click over here and just adjust my bidding right here. But I'm not willing to do that right now because the way I have bidded on this particular campaign, I see it doing very good. I'm having over I have already 71 conversions, and I spend less than $40, and I'm spending approximately 0.5 cents euros on this particular conversion. So I think that's fair enough. But that's how you can basically optimize your campaign. Deal with your keywords, your devices, your bidding, and then go back to your recommendations. So here, you are not just simply accepting what Google asks you to do, because if you do that, for example, if we click on keywords and targeting right here, you will see, first of all, click on view. Okay, do not just click on accept all. Look at what they are suggesting. Are these keyword relevant to your particular campaign? Okay, before you can accept this. So if not, you can dismiss or apply or on this particular campaign. If I do this, I will accept all their recommendations. Social media to promote them. No, I don't want this. So I will definitely dismiss this and dismiss all. And then I will click on add. Say this is going to be automated campaign. So look, Google is suggesting that I should run automated campaign, and this is going to help my campaign. But I know very well this is not going to do me good. So I'm going to dismiss this. Of course, I don't want to run automated campaign. And as you can see, as I adjust my campaign, my recommendations, specifically, you see my ad optimization is going up, even though I rejected some of the recommendations Google have for me on this particular campaign. Fix your tag issues. This is something I have to go to my tag manager to fix, and I'll go and fix that as soon as I'm done with this particular video. Here again, we have improve your responsive search ads. I will also improve on that. Specifically, there are some keywords and headlines they want you to include so they can be able to show your ads more. But this is how I have chosen to optimize this particular campaign. You would decide on what to accept and what to refuse. when they recommend some of these things. But overall, you can tell me, I want you to tell me in the comment section if this campaign has done very well and what you're going to do when it comes to optimizing your campaign. If you need help, let me know, so I will help you walk through your campaign. We can be able to optimize your campaign to get it to perform better. Look at the devices again. Let me just remind you, only on computers. I want my ads to be shown only on computers, so this way you have higher conversion rates. Okay, this is how I do optimize my Google ads, with coupled with a bunch of other tips, other things I do. But basically doing all these things will get your ads to do very well, so this is how I optimize my ads. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so I will keep coming back and showing you, or sharing with you my knowledge on how to grow your business online and get your ads to perform better. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.